Welcome to a tutorial on using the SHARE PointClouds Studio. After completing all data collection with a SHARE S20 or S20 SE, will you to process the data. You can scan the QR code on the transport case or visit the official SHARE website to download SHARE PointClouds Studio. Take the TF card and insert it into the card reader, or connect the device's Type-C interface to the computer to copy the data to the local computer. Once the data copy is complete, open SHARE PointClouds Studio, click on New Project, where you can customize the project name and the storage path. Click End Raw Data to end the raw data folder you need to process, and you can end multiple folders at once. Next, set the mapping parameters. If RTK data was used during the collection, you can enable RTK fusion and choose the coordinate system you need. The software supports searching for projected coordinate system from the coordinate system database. If control point data was collected, you can enable control point calibration. Download the template file, input the accurate coordinates of the corresponding points, save, and then import it into the software. Additionally, you can end the point cloud colorization and remove photo output based on your need. The point cloud output in NAS format by default, and you can also choose to output in PLY and PCT formats. Moreover, the mapping parameters can be applied to all tasks. And click Start the calculation to enter the point cloud reconstruction process. Click on Task to view the progress of the point cloud reconstruction for the project. If there are any issues with the point cloud reconstruction, you can click Upload Log in the History task and contact SHARE Technical Support. Wait until the project status shows reconstruction success, then click on the top left color to return, or click the bottom right color to browse and the point cloud and view it.